It's time for Assen. Marquez on pole, and the lights go out. A good start from Cal Crutchlow. I'm not sure Marquez got away so well in the initial stages. Here comes Marc Marquez. This has been his territory. Oh, what a move! The pace actually isn't very... Oh, a massive moment there! Yeah, Rossi's closing up on him.
He lost the front.
Yes, and the Suzuki rider goes through.
Oh, Marquez!
How has he not gone down? He does it time and time again. He was off the bike, and he stays on, and he keeps the throttle pinned. After that incident,
take it back.
Have it back, that says.
Merits to do that. Lorenzo then gets up the inside of his teammate. They just didn't want to give each other any room. Look at that, their knees rubbed against each other.
Incredible scenes here in Assen. 6 different riders have led this race. Marc Marquez makes 2 moves in 1. Marc Marquez wins an absolute stunner here in Assen, and it's so close for 3rd. Rossi's messed it up. It's Rins who gets 2nd place. Vinales 3rd. Dovizioso 4th. What a last 3 laps from the world champion.
Incredible, look at his celebration. He knows that was a real tough battle. What a race. Right from the get-go, Jorge Lorenzo coming from 10th to lead, but Marc Marquez has done it in brilliant fashion.
cc race, 17 laps under starters' orders. Tomomi Monaco in 3rd position makes an appalling start. Sakata, previous 125cc world champion, leading with Marco Melandri right up behind him in 2nd position to the last few miles. Marco Melandri takes the lead with half a lap to go. Sakata is in 2nd position, and he looks as if he's going to take the lead back as they do start the charge back towards the pits. Look at the crowd, they're on their feet waving Melandri on. He's 15 years old, he's never won a Grand Prix before. If he wins this one, history will be made here in Holland. He gives it a massive handful. He comes up into the final chicane, he's on the inside. The crowd are on their feet. Melandri takes the lead. And does Sakata have a chance to fight back? I don't think he will. Melandri's going to make history, the youngest ever winner of a Grand Prix. The mechanics are over the moon.
So Colin Edwards perhaps leads the way. No, it's John Hopkins that leads the way. The great start by Colin Edwards. Colin Edwards on the Yamaha, closing up on Nicky Hayden. They're coming up towards the left-hander now. They're into the right. Edwards side by side, and Colin Edwards has retaken the lead. Edwards has retaken the lead from Nicky Hayden. Colin Edwards chasing his first ever Grand Prix victory. They're into the chicane. Oh, Hayden and Edwards side by side. Edwards holds the advantage. Hayden's gone into the dirt. And Colin Edwards is going to win his first Grand Prix.
Unbelievable.
Nicky Hayden crosses the line. Colin Edwards has gone down in the dirt, would you believe it? Colin Edwards had the checkered flag in sight. Colin Edwards has crashed out of the Dutch TT here at Assen, and Nicky Hayden has won the race. Shinya Nakano in 2nd place, and Danny Pedrosa 3rd.
And he runs
across the chicane, and Edwards runs across the outside of the chicane and runs on. Kentucky Kid, not the Texas Tornado, that celebrates not only victory, but an even bigger lead in the World Championship battle. What a race here at Assen. Congratulations to Nicky Hayden. Tremendous bit of dirt tracking by Nicky Hayden. He hangs on there. And Colin Edwards, all sorts of problems. Cannot believe it. Edwards has gone down. They think he's going to win the race when they see Nicky Hayden run onto the gravel. But I'm afraid not. Edwards has crashed down. Poor old Colin Edwards. He's finished 13th in the race. He rides back to the start and finish. He knows, we know, the whole of America know Colin Edwards will never have a better chance of winning a MotoGP race. And I think everybody's sympathies goes out to Colin Edwards because he still manages a way of trying. There's a happy chappy coming back towards Parc Ferme. It's Nicky Hayden. He's won his second Grand Prix. He's won a Grand Prix in Europe. And he's really increased his lead in the World Championship. He just cannot believe it. What a ride by Valentino Rossi. Rossi finishes in 8th place with that injured right hand. The whole of the garage is found up to applaud Valentino Rossi. That is an incredible performance by the world champion. But at the front, Nicky Hayden is getting away.
And Marco Melandri absolutely drained. He's just slumped into his chair. He just can hardly move or hardly talk.
What a day for America. What a day for Nicky Hayden. Colin Edwards makes his way back to his pit. A desperate afternoon for the American, who rode quite brilliantly, all the donkey work at the front, and then crashed out. Again gets the applause from the crew. Poor old Colin Edwards. So close. The checkered flag was there. Nicky Hayden had gone into the gravel. The race was there to be won.